blistering and you have a lot of granule loss because of the overheating, right? When there's overheating, then and you circle hail, a lot of the times the adjusters will try to call it blistering, right? So what you want to do is you want to find 8 to 10 spots that are not going to be debatable, that are actually soft. So this is what the insurance company considers like the actual shingle mat, and if you touch this soft area, that's what they actually want to feel when they touch a bruised canvas on a shingle.